Well, again, just like what I've said before, I don't have any problem with my vets. Whether they play bad the first 2 games or 3 games, they're still my vets. No, they're gonna get their time. No, they earn that. No, ganun talaga. Siyempre, kahit naman sila, mga veterano, nag-a-adjust din sila sa gusto ko ipagawa sa kanila. They're not used to that kind of system. Wala pa silang habit, no, na gusto ko ipagawa sa kanila. To be fair to them. But, they're really trying their best. No, they're really trying their best to catch up doon sa sistema na gusto kong pagawa sa kanila. And they're struggling, no doubt. Everyone's struggling, not only our vets. No, but I'm sure pag nakuha na nila, parang ano yun eh. Yun lang yung parang bagong relationship. Nagkaroon ng 7-8 years na relationship, all of a sudden nag-iba. Di ba? Ganun lang yun. Ngayon, nag-a-adjust sila. Di ba? Ulit. Diba? Masakit para sa kanila kaya nagsa-struggle sila, tama ba? So, ganun lang 'yun. Parang ganun lang 'yun. So, but eventually they will get it.